services. We do vegetation management on extreme terrains. We have a tendency of getting the jobs that nobody else wants to cut. We currently have a Virnig V40, which is on the loader. We have demoed the new X30 for the excavator. With the wheel loader, we did a lot of trial and error to find out what would work best. The compact wheel loader is not your average animal you're going to see a brush cutter on. There was a couple other manufacturers. Virnig was the one that ended up catching my eye the most just because of the specs on it, and thinking that I think this is going to work the most. Whenever you get onto like Virnig's website, it ended up having tip speed, hydraulic pressures, minimum pressures, all the information that we had to use to try and calculate, is this the attachment that's actually going to work for us? It actually processes the vegetation insanely nice. It holds up really well. It skis well across the bottom of the terrain. It doesn't gouge or scalp near as much as others that we've rented in the past from different manufacturers. Virnig has the strongest welds and best quality as far as bang for the buck that we've looked at. So far we've been insanely happy. We've had the V40 for a year and a half now, going on 2 years. We got it shortly after getting the loader, so it's been married to that for any of these large brush cutting jobs and vegetation management jobs that we end up using. It's been holding up insanely well. We haven't, other than one hidden obstruction that we ended up hitting that bent the blades, we haven't had any issues. And again, the customer support was really well.